Before opening your first pop-up drink stand, you need a local health permit, a solid plan for water and ice, and a clear sense of your top 3 or 4 drinks so you don't overextend yourself on day 1. Most people think a drink stand is just about mixing something tasty, but the real secret is water logistics, since that's what trips up almost every new vendor. You need clean water for making drinks, a separate supply for hand washing, and a way to keep ice from melting into a soggy mess within the first hour. Something a lot of folks don't realize is that many cities require a temporary food or beverage permit even for something as small as lemonade or fresh squeezed juice, and skipping that step can get you shut down before you even open. Another lesser-known tip is to pre-portion your ingredients into single-serving packets or pre-measured bags the night before, because during a rush, guessing measurements slows you down and wastes product. Keep your menu small in the beginning, maybe 3 to 4 drinks max, because a simple menu means faster service and fewer mistakes. Also, invest in a folding table with a shaded canopy, since heat exposure both wilts your ingredients and drains your energy fast. One common mistake is underestimating how much ice you'll actually need, so a good rule of thumb is to double what you think you'll use and store extra in a cooler nearby. Another issue is cash handling, since fumbling with change slows your line down, so consider using a small cash box with pre-counted bills or even a simple card reader for faster transactions. Lastly, people often forget to scout their location ahead of time, so visit your spot at the same hour you plan to sell just to check foot traffic, shade, and noise levels before committing. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.